So today we make a PCB for one of our client. In this PCB we control our lights, fans, or any load with the help of this remote. So this is remote have 4 buttons. Basically we can control 4 devices, with one with yellow wire, one with blue wire, and one with white wire. So here I put 3 buttons. First one for yellow, second one for white, and third one for blue. Okay, so this button will use to switch on the all devices or switch off the all devices. So here I will explain how it will work. So I connected a bulb with yellow light. So when I will press this button, it will turn on, and when I will press it again, it will turn off. If we want to turn on all the devices, then we will press this button. So here it is. So I press it, it turned on all, for example yellow, blue, and white. So now I will again press the button, and it will turn off the all lights. Here I put the antenna wires. The range of this device is up to 30 meters.